Good afternoon, this is Jack from the ArtChart.net, and this is the intraday recording for Wednesday, the 11th of April. Our disclaimer: we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. Right, so where are we on this setup here? Well, let's have a look at ES. And on ES, we've not quite made it to the possible IHS neckline. This isn't a Janus flag setup yet, but I'm getting less convinced that we are going to see it. One, we've had a breakdown on RSI, which doesn't look as though it's fully resolved yet. Could be forming a flag here, possibly, in which case we may be looking at another leg down, which might possibly get us to this rising support trend line here. If that was the case, then we'd probably be in a triangle here. But actually, if you look over at NQ and TF, NQ has reached the IHS neckline and broken up through it slightly, and that's holding so far. This is a candidate Janus flag setup now, and if we see a break below rising support, which is currently in the 65.35 area, then chances are this would be playing out to the downside. TF, we've got the same. I've got two possible. No, I've only got one on here. But this is the IHS neckline I'm using here. I was using another possibility on RUT, but this is the likely one here. This is also possible rising wedge resistance on TF. We've gone there, we've tested it, we've overthrown it slightly. This is an obvious failure point to go lower and to head down to rising support in the 1525 area. So the reality is the Janus flag setups are already in place and active on NQ and TF. Does it have to be done? Hang on. Somebody's got their phone on. Turned off BM's microphone. Right. Does it have to reach it on a yes? Not necessarily. It would be neater if it did, but the reality is that Stan's looking for decent resistance at 66, and for it to reach the neckline and to go over it, it would need to go over 66. So I'm keeping an open mind. Maybe we'll get up there, maybe we won't, but I think we're at a stage where really this could fail any time. DX.